Especially good afternoon to you, baby. Be our we usual faces. The Osei family faces no they are noted for one thing. Progress of humanity, especially Asuom had the health areas, even health facility ni nyina hu so omaba. Enyuma egu ha nyina Osei family, they have done it again. They usually do it, and this is another aspect. Yene owura odi animu, ye papa betwetwe nkomo na wabɔ tougher their mind, but I be na motivate you mom say sade we na ne aka odi bebo so nyina na chief nso de bia soso man akra.
Okay, and then about incredible. I'm say this year no, I'm say we can where the third time yedi a number free lender aba. My name me reading jam instead for and I be recommend suni. That's right. And then me baba ko in na ejuma healthcare. And you know kakra akre be ya hon na de aboa ebabo Asuom. Enti e ba ya Asuom pomdin say the boy obi ya eba ha no ho beto no tina edi na mayina.
Wow. A big congratulations. Yakupon onshira mo pa free say ne mu ye yani so pa na me mame me mpese me kono ba me nya me ko me mame ho na mame aka kituwa bi ada anka na so ma.
We the Ampofo good afternoon obia. Na I'm say senia mikunkaye no and eyade a yetai eye enti no ye wo ebi e kan say every little helps. Inti eba bibiki tu ebia ekraye no na ye de aba beboa senia adwuma no ebekoso enti no ye nyina ye clinical sebe uba na wunya ye wuyare ha na obebeji first aid and sana say ye ntumi anhwa ya mawako ya refer you amawako hospital kasimu enti ye senia ebe share adofo nyina nso nkuna na obi nso wa mu bia or the ababeboa ama ekrono afa ntuma pa efra enti yedamase
chief wa hensu de ono so be pro ni de mu na ono so ede ne version so akra ma mi kra mu ma
okay kra ma mi okay yedamase enyama moja brain no yasum yeniaso and like the man said, these are old faces when it comes to donation to Asuom Health Center. This is not the first time. This year alone, I think this is the third in the series. Yes, and we are grateful for it. Yeah, the Masipa, yeah, Abribia, na yeah, Edumanso to help humanity and then to save lives at the Asuom Health Center and then in the Asuom community as well or as a whole. So we are grateful, very, very grateful for what you've been doing for us. Amen and amen.
Amen.
Mary.
We are grateful has been the word that I have very much repeated. Our doc kasa mu free say ampa ohwe enyoma senka me doctor ni and nurse ni kama bobo nyoma na baako but a brain tino mema na doc nso waye busy say na mahana makotwe na free no office ansana obe spare sa few time we no utim say chief na ni abrepa enti ni minu aba obebemi minu aba chief are busy until they ben me pese wo hwa dofo nyina anim na wugina saa donation ya ye maame ne nabusuan etaye ma health center yi na oka bibi kira dofo say still you also need more if the opportunity comes omfam wa mebo
yo ye damase Mr. and Mrs. say yeah, the mass one amode ayede abreye. This is the third time. Na ye kan say Nyankopon ye de enhura na afufron so a mo pesa mo beboa Asuom Health Center so yes sure say mo so mo be de mo de beba Oliver Twist. We want more. Thank you all.
You are welcome. We always want more. Sene ye maame ene ni kunu ene ne yire no monketo anyina ka ho abom na omadi dwumade a etisei. Ye maame aka na semawi na me mpese me kominu aba ho. So me kominu aba ho. At least or words of encouragement be a obetimi de ama ewiase impo onomo a omo be benefit from say nyoma we no ana say afoforo bi nso a omo nya omadwen obi okro hu sa de obeka say monya sika na munhu ne amode ye encouragement be na ade be ma patients bi e wo ha ene clinic facility no ene omo mu ko use say nyoma we nyina wo bibi abeka kakra fa wa me
I think the only time me aka say omo using it wisely and me sure some use their boa Ampofo mu here and hopefully yeah, vampire say you best sign the be as I become who be in future.
Yeah, mommy. Wabon tofa on pesa obeko bibiri oso obeko bibiri into mateme mama ase. Enyoma bebre be we nyina. Me person ki yehu enyoma facilities be ne we ye de kotiku be ana. Okay, mommy, we here.
Ampacho ye crutches there obi enam me say ibu ana say until obetumi
No their support.
No their support.
Na who say towels bi wo.
Yeah, your towels, your hand sanitizers, your gloves. We have wipes. Yeah, small cups for medication.
Wow.
There were sick bowls.
Wow.
Diabetic stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, all the other different types of.
Tobacco I ente anu.
Yeah.
Kese ba ko hyase ha. Kese facility de enyoma ewom de edoso. Ye ma menum nyame nhiramu ye papa nyame nhiramu baby bia mu yi ska free nyame embo ho double no fen support wo ne emode mo ahoden ne emode mo pe ne emode emwa bia mu nyan a mode wensu abeboye no nyame en double no mamu na mo ko back nso a nyame nso amokọ de ntaban so no fa mu nkoduru asomdwemu dwo yenim se enye ye nko a ye hwei ne ani so afofra e wabontin nyina mpo mu huye no omani so na ye gitum se ampa modi dwumadie e de ate monim e de ate Asuom Health Center nim e de apre emwa e de amobia yeda obibia ase e wo dwumadie kese a waboa yen ema ye maame mu adi ahwe wonso a ohwe ye wo special message bi ho a ja fato ho eman na yenso ye bebo so e de ama amerepam papa wo obi a beto special message bi ama no greetings bi a
I'm say ja en kola wo London sisentino ya tom say wi ala mo so mo hwe wo London ya chiao enso enche na kwanso ya baba ani obi a busuafo wo Asuom hanso ya chiao obi a
na ode kakra we so so ana
me pacho ye sen ye kan ye ja abusuani bi nso wachire e wo UK and Canada nso ntino abusuana ye ja wo machire no ye hope say radadum obi a ho ye nti ye chia obi a ye chia abusuafo nyina ye chia dofo nso e wa ma na nefi ama na ne beja ye ma ye ma Selina ofusua don konso yi nso ye do bibia ase ene Asuom ma nyina na mo ase
ye da bibia ase ne Asuom man menu aba de o ye ka chire nti o de last one be boss wa ma me ho
And maybe mommy don't know what landed. Isabella and Tristan. Right. So mommy misses you. I'll see you guys very soon.
Yeah, see you guys very soon. Enti papa nom ya jinti ya se ya damwase. Ebie mumra yenim se wei enye no nko na ebehu afie no kwa weye next year yebehu akese esensei awurade nhira mo no ntom nkwanam emre papa mu no yenya another hinta yebema waso ate wei eye good deeds enti wo hwe ne wani je ho a na waboaboa ho kakra bia obenya bia little bia no a very small kakra bia obenya bia no de brain a yebeje na yada wase na ya yusu no okwampa so nyame nhira wo Asuom News.com so na ye ne watwetwe nkomo yi yudo ba na najimani makra mu nyina. Daddy,